If there's any problems, just stop where you are.
Give you a temperature reading. Move it down over this side. See if it's picking up the light.
Might move in front of it.
They come up white. This is what we would use in a search in a situation like this. Dark, smoke filled. You can see how much ambient light it picks up and magnifies. That you can actually find your way through and find people who'd be trapped or unconscious and unable to help themselves. You can see Jack heading down there now. How warm his body heat comes off and the ease it is to see him in this smoke-filled aircraft. Everybody can't see anybody. And there you see a second firefighter coming through now. And a third firefighter. Pressure release.